Hi friends, welcome to Nursing Mantra. I hope all you are keeping well. Today our video is related to how we can transfer Ministry of Health UAE MOH UAE license to DOH Department of Health Abu Dhabi or HAAD. Who are eligible for license transfer? Those who have activated the MOH license. Within 1 month of license activation, we can transfer the license to DOH. What are the documents required for license transfer? You must have the MOH license. That means your private electronic license, clinic license or electronic license, anything. Okay, MOH license should be there. Plus your MOH evaluation letter. You must get the still working certificate from your MOH employer. Then only you can transfer the MOH license to DOH. Sometimes you will get exemption for 1 month experience and all, but not always. Then you must provide your home country registration, which should be valid, and your experience, home country experience or previous 2-year last experience, that should be from the same state where you have the registration, or from the same country where you have the experience. Then you must provide your educational documents based on your profession. If you are a specialist or a GP, you must provide your internship certificate and your residency certificate and logbook. All these things you have to do the data flow additional document if you didn't done the data flow for MOH. Then apart from that, you must provide your COVID vaccination certificate. 3 doses COVID vaccination certificate is mandatory to register in DOH. How we can transfer your MOH license to DOH? First, you have to get the good standing certificate from the MOH. Once you get the good standing certificate from MOH, we can transfer your MOH data flow report to DOH. So that MOH data flow report transfer, plus additionally you have to do your MOH license, MOH experience and MOH good standing certificate additional document. Plus if you have any other documents for data flow, you have to do that based on your specialty. It will take around 1 month duration, 25 to 30 days duration. Then after that, once you complete the data flow verification, you must search for an employer. Once you get the offer letter from the employer, like a facility nomination letter, with that facility nomination letter, we can apply for the credentialing process, or we can submit the application in DOH. So while doing application submission, we must provide the e-terasol barcode, then staff data form, all these extra additional documents are there that Nursing Mantra can assist you for those process, like how to take this e-terasol and all. How much will be the expense for transferring MOH license to DOH? First, we have to get the good standing certificate from MOH. That will cost 520 dirhams. After that, data flow transfer, MOH data flow old report, we can transfer to the DOH. That will cost 230 dirhams. Plus addition to that, there will be 3 additional documents. That is your MOH license, MOH good standing and MOH experience. That will be around 960 dirhams like that for the data flow. So once you complete the data flow, then we have to apply for the credentialing process. That will cost 110 dirhams. Some employer, they will only do this process. They will pay the credentialing fees and the license fees and everything. But if you have to do, means it will cost around 110 dirhams. This much only the expense for MOH license transfer to the DOH. The duration to transfer this license to DOH, almost it will take 35 to 40 days. I hope all you understood regarding how we can transfer MOH license to DOH. Thank you.